Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a chocolate peanut butter dessert. Today's recipe is super quick. It's one of those high protein recipes that you can make if you're just craving a dessert without all of the crazy carbs and the calories. So jumping right in, we are going to first prep the actual cookie dough part. Now, this is going to be a chocolate peanut butter cookie dough. I don't want to say the brand name, but think peanuts and think chocolate and think candy, and that's kind of the flavor profile of what this particular dessert is like. So I have my Greek yogurt. I have some non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm gonna put 1 cup into a my glass container right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop 1 cup. And of course, all the measurements will be in the description below. To my Greek yogurt, I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla extract. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. Next, I'm going to do 1/2 cup of PB2 powder. If you don't know what PB2 powder is, it's like peanut butter, but just in powder form without all the calories and all the fat. Adding that to my bowl. So basically it's a 2-to-1 ratio of the Greek yogurt to the PB2 powder. I'm gonna add now 1/2 teaspoon of my cocoa powder. And you can now use your sugar of choice. I'm gonna be using a granulated cane sugar, and I'm gonna do little more than 1 tablespoon. Go ahead and mix that all together. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and also like this video while you're at it. And if you know someone that always is craving a sweet dessert, someone that has a sweet tooth, but maybe they're on the diet, maybe they don't want all the calories, go ahead, share this video with them. Hit that share button down below. While you're mixing all these ingredients together, go ahead and take some unsweetened chocolate chips, or you can take like, I'm gonna be using ones that are like stevia sweetened. I'll include the brand down in the description below. They're also on my Amazon storefront, which you can see in the description below. You could also just use regular chocolate chips if that's your preference, but some kind of chocolate chips is what you're looking for. And for this one, I'm also gonna be doing a dark chocolate chocolate chip. You could do milk chocolate, you could do like semi-sweet, really whatever you have, as long as it's not white chocolate. So now that I've mixed all of the ingredients together, I'm gonna scrape it from the sides. And I wanna spread it out in my dish in an even layer. If you want this to be more of like a actual cookie dough texture, you can add a little bit more PB2 powder until it gets to the texture that you're looking for. I have my melted chocolate chips. These, I basically melted them in, I do 30 seconds at first, and then I do 10-second bursts so I don't burn the chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and put the chocolate on top of our Greek yogurt. So go ahead and dump all of that out. And of course, make sure you do this in a microwave safe dish. I like using any kind of Pyrex or some kind of glass, ceramic, something like that, because the chocolate gets very hot when it is in the microwave. So just be careful. So now that I got all of my chocolate out, I'm gonna go ahead and spread it out in an even layer all over our Greek yogurt. Make sure you get all of the edges. And I love these thin little spatulas. I also use them for baking when I make like sourdough bread or anything like that. It'll also be on my Amazon storefront. This is one of those great spatulas that like you never think about as a regular spatula, but it's great for getting into jars, like something thin that you can't use a regular spatula for. Highly recommend. The last thing we have to add is some flaky sea salt. This is such a great contrast for that sweetness with the saltiness. And we're just gonna do a little bit of the flaky sea salt right on top of our chocolate. Now this dessert is ready to go into the fridge. So we need this to chill. Depending on how much chocolate you have, could take anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. It really won't take that long. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my cover on and throw this in the fridge, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. And that is it, our simple, high protein chocolate peanut butter dessert. This is just one of those really simple things that curb your cravings without all the guilt with a high calorie dessert. I popped this actually into the freezer to kind of make it set a little quicker. That speeds up the time a bit. Just make sure you watch it so it doesn't freeze too fast. But I am so ready to do the taste test. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments below. How good does this look? I can't wait to take a bite. I'm gonna get a little piece right here. We get that delicious crackle from the chocolate. I have my peanut butter chocolate Greek yogurt dessert. I absolutely love this. I know you guys will too. Cheers. This is exactly like the candy that you guys know I'm talking about with the peanut butter and the chocolate. It's just, it hits all the right notes. I absolutely love this. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and go enjoy this dessert and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.